Unlike many fruits, the jackfruit begins its life as a seed that contains an enormous reserve of energy. Within months, the sapling transforms into a sturdy, multi-layered tower of leaves, each a solar panel fueling the tree's future.
It takes 3 years, but the wait is worth it. Soon, the magic will appear not on the branches,
This is tuber initiation. In a phenomenon called cauliflory, the tree bypasses the small branches.
Pollination does not occur with large flowers, but with simple flower clusters.
Success. The ovaries are fertilized, and the tiny cone begins its transformation into a spiky armor.
Jackfruit is the world's largest fruit. The tree must now use all its energy to pump water and nutrients directly to the expanding fruit on the trunk.
The jackfruit grows to the size of a basketball, its weight hanging heavy against the trunk. Inside the fruit, hundreds of
The skin is a masterpiece of geometric packing, designed to hold dozens of kilograms of sweetness securely against the tree.
As it approaches 30 kilograms, the skin becomes the perfect cage of geometric protection, locking in the sweet flavor. From a single buried seed to a towering tree bearing giants, the journey of the jackfruit is a triumph of patience and biological scale. The sunlight is locked within the spiky rind, waiting to be unlocked by nature's hand. This is the pinnacle of the art of combining back. Experience the essence of natural grandeur. This is the heart of Genesis motion.
Join us for the next chapter on Harvest Motion.